If you want to refund a game in Steam, first you can click on the game that you want to refund. You will need to make sure that your playtime is less than 2 hours, and also that you bought the game at least in the time of 2 weeks. If it passed 2 weeks, then they may reject your refund. But now let's go through the process. So we need to click on the support section right here. Then you can go for one of the options. For example, it's now available cheaper, or you can select it's not what I expected. You can then request a refund, and then you'll be able to choose a refund reason, explain it, and then submit your request. And for some of the cases, you get a option to select where the money should be returned to your original account or to your Steam wallet, and that is basically everything.